Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Aquila and Willie from Little Valley Community Garden. This morning we're in our backyard, and this morning my husband had did some clippings of my yellow dragon fruit plant, and we're going to show you today how we're going to replant these yellow dragon fruit clippings. And it's very easy and very simple, and it's a lot of nutrition that comes with the dragon fruit plant, and I love it. It tastes great, and it's good for you, and it's good in fiber. And I started buying these a few years ago, and you want to put them in here about 2 inches deep. And we are using recycled iced tea, gallon iced tea containers. We're using those. My husband cut these up, and going to plant this morning. You have to put on gloves because these have thorns and they're very sticky. So I have on some gloves that I bought from the sporting goods department. I didn't buy any gardening gloves because I'm planning on using these down at the property, these gloves that I have on because they're thick. And but I did buy these gloves, which they're very thick, and I'm glad I did buy them. So you just kind of gently push them down, and you plant them next to the. Ooh, I just stuck myself. You plant them next to the stick here, and so my husband got this soil over here, and the soil is very good and it's very moist. So the soil is not too heavy. You can tell which way they're up. Some people mark them, but I can actually tell which way they need to be going towards in the ground. And you have to be very careful because these thorns are very sticky. So you want to grab them in a good place where you won't stick yourself. And just like this, just push them down, just like that. But I love dragon fruit because it tastes good and it's good in vitamin C. It's good for inflammation. It's good for sugar. There's a lot of nutritional value to the dragon fruit, and it's good for fiber. It's a natural laxative, and that's why I started buying them because it's a natural laxative and it's very good. So I'm gonna have to take these gloves off because they're very thick. Like I said, these are not gardening gloves. These are gloves for sporting good, more like with fishing, handling fish. Now we're just going to simply tie these up. Don't have to be tight. You just want to just gently put the string around here, and you just want to tie it. Don't have to be a perfect tie. Just let it drop, and you just want to get this. My husband's going to come back later, probably retie them. But we got some of my yarn because I knit blankets, so we got some yarn string here. And you want to go just like so, just like that. And so I'll just put another tie right here. And I come back later with scissors and we'll clip them. So, and you want to, I'm just going to do a couple of them. I'm not going to do them all. Just kind of give you an example what you need to do. And then I'm going to put some additional Miracle Grow that we have here. This one's kind of big, but I got it on there. And you want to take some Miracle Grow. We got the Miracle Grow Shake and Feed Tomato Fruit and Vegetable Plant Food. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to lift this up. There's lift. Okay. Oh, I see. We shake it out. Okay, excuse me, y'all. That don't look right. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and gently, not a whole lot, just shake a few pebbles. Just want to shake a few pebbles around the plant just to give it that extra food. The potting soil that we use is actually good I told my husband this morning because it actually has fertilizer with it. So that's a good start. So you don't have to use any harsh fertilizer at the moment. So I just want to show you a little bit how to do this. I can finish the rest later. Now what I'm going to do is add a little water to the potting soil because it is a little dry. I bought this little thing at Walmart. It was on clearance and it's a very good watering. I like it. It's very good. You don't put too much water. You can easily move it. And so this is what you want to do. You want to put a little water. You don't want to drown it. Just put a little water just to moisten that potting soil. Just to give it a little moisture. And like I said, the dragon fruit plant, out of one dragon fruit plant that we have, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more dragon fruit plants. And we're going to take this down to the property probably in a couple of weeks. But right now, I love dragon fruit, and believe me, it will save you money to grow your own dragon fruit. You can grow the red one or the yellow one. I like the yellow one the best, but the red ones are good too. But you can save a lot of money because dragon fruit plants cost about $5 to $6 a piece. So just think how much money you're saving, and you're getting good nutritional value, and you know what you're growing. You're growing it yourself. It's great fruit. It's great fruit, and it's great food for you and your family. And you will love it in smoothies, salads, or you can just eat it plain. But you will love this dragon fruit. Believe me, you will love it. So it's good to try something different. You know, we used to orange apples and all that, but it's good to try and grow something different that you and your family will love and enjoy for many, many, many years to come. So this is the potting soil mix that my husband bought right here. And like I said, I like it because it's got the fertilizer in it already, and I think you'll like it. It saves you time. So well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was a great tip for you. So if you have a dragon fruit plant, believe me, you can do some clippings just like my husband did, and you can save money by using your recyclable gallon jugs. You can save money that way. And don't forget to pick up some of this Miracle Grow, shake and feed, and that will help you save money. So I hope you enjoyed this video this morning and enjoy planting. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. And once again, this is Aquila and Willie from Lily Valley Garden Community Center. And I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye bye, everybody.